What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to sit down and get ready for Diwali. Diwali is almost here and I feel like 2 saal ke baad finally we're able to celebrate Diwali without any restrictions. So I wanted to just sit down and do a very chill get ready with me. In today's video, I'm going to be using all Maybelline products in order to create this look, and all of these products are under ₹1000. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's hop right in with our base, and for my foundation, I'm going to be using the classic Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. So this comes with a pump, and with the help of my fingers, I like to dot my face and blend. So this foundation comes with 16 different shades, so I'm sure you will find a shade that fits you perfectly. I personally use the shade 310. Now this foundation has SPF in it. It's also non-comedogenic. It's very lightweight and it's very easy to wear under humid monsoon climate. I feel like throughout the day it keeps my skin hydrated, but at the same time it controls the oils. Of course, don't forget to get it down to your neck, your hairline and your ears as well. So as you can tell, the foundation has a very mattifying texture, but at the same time it has a very nice natural finish. I think the base is looking fab. Let's move on to the next product. So concealer के लिए I'm going to be using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. तो ये भी एक oil free formula है which is going to help you get rid of your redness, blemishes and dark spots. Pigmentation के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, so I like to apply it around my mouth especially. So the shade that works really well for me is 35 Deep. You can totally use these concealers not only to conceal but also to highlight or even contour. My base is looking amazing. Quickly going to set it with the Maybelline's Fit Me powder. As you can see, I use this a lot, almost every single day. I love this powder. I'm very excited about the next product. So we're going to be using the Maybelline's Fit Me blush. I think blush can really enhance your look. It brings a lot of life and color to your face. And today I'm using the shade Fierce, which looks really pretty on Indian skin tone. You can totally layer this blush, but मुझे बहुत ही natural look चाहिए, so I've just done like a dust of it. We cannot do a Diwali look without highlighter, of course. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. It's a cult favorite and rightfully so. It looks beautiful on Indian skin tone. The Maybelline's Pearl pigments leave a reflective finish for a brilliant glowing skin. And honestly, who doesn't want that for Diwali? I love the glow that it gives. It's so natural, but it's there for sure. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to be using the City Mini palette from Maybelline. So this has 6 shades in it, which I feel like are going to be amazing and perfect for Diwali. And today I'm going to be doing like a very smoky brown look. I'm going to start off by picking up this nude color and I'm just going to dust it all over my lid as a base. Then I'm going to pick up this brownie shade right here and work it into my crease. As you can see, it's super pigmented, but I will say it's super easy to blend. Going in with the same shade on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm gonna go in with this bronze shade right here. It's like a shimmer. And you'll see in one swipe, there's like a beautiful dramatic effect. Lastly, I'm just going to use this shimmery shade to kind of brighten things up. So thoda sa center mein. And then of course the inner corners. You guys know I cannot miss the inner corners. To bring everything together, I'm going to be using the Maybelline's Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. This has the most amazing felt tip. It's so good for you to draw your wings. It's very comfortable to use this. So this is a waterproof formula that's going to last up to 36 hours. I think I've done a good job with matching the 2 wings. Let's seal the deal with the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is a super lengthening mascara, but at the same time it will give you volume also because it has bamboo extract in it. Overall, it's a very lightweight formula, but it's an impactful one. You'll see how like beautiful of a difference it makes. I think you can see it for yourself. This is the eye with the mascara versus without. Before we move on to the eyes, I'm just going to do a quick hack, which is I'm going to use concealer right under my wing, very little of it, just to lift the eyes and clean up my eyeshadow as well. It really makes the biggest difference. It just looks very clean and lifted. And again, going in with the Master Chrome, just to amplify the highlight. And lastly, I'm going to be using the Maybelline's Vinyl Ink Lipstick. So you need to shake this to activate the formula, and then of course apply it. The applicator that it comes with is really good. Like, I love the shape of it. It just makes the application so much easier. Now these lipsticks are smudge proof and transfer proof. The formula of this lipstick is really cool because it defies smudging and transfer with its unique color lock formula for 16 hours. I love this shade because it makes like a statement. It's not very out there, but it's not subtle. I feel like this is a really pretty shade for Diwali. The shade that I'm wearing is called Lippy. We're not done. I'm just going to quickly clean up my base with concealer again. We're again kind of lifting our face. I always like to do this as the last step. This lipstick is truly transfer proof. You will not need to touch up your lipstick while you're having your laddus or sipping on your drinks at your Diwali parties. And this is what the final look looks like. It's a very pretty brown, bronzy look, and I really like it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm of course gonna link all the Maybelline products that I've used in today's video in the description box below. Definitely check it out. You guys know I love Maybelline products. I've been loving and using them for years and years, and every single product that I've used in today's video is amazing. You will not regret trying it out for yourself. That's it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.